Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to apply for Foodpanda merchant from app. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. You generally cannot apply directly in the regular Foodpanda customer app. Instead, becoming a merchant, restaurant or sub-partner uses a simple partner sign-up process, usually via a special online form or partner app or portal. In order to apply as a Foodpanda merchant, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your any browser, then on the search bar, type in Foodpanda merchant sign up page. Then once inside, here what you need to do is scroll down and find Foodpanda Malaysia and join restaurant delivery platform option. Then simply tap on that. Once inside, what you need to do here is tap on the option that says join us as a restaurant partner, and then once you tap on that, here you will be prompted to fill out the merchant application form. Simply enter in your business name, your business owner's first name, business owner last name, then business type, then your email, and then enter in your phone number. Then once done, simply tap on the register option, and after that you will be asked for verification documents such as business registration or license, ID, owner or details, bank details for payouts, menu photos for restaurants, and make sure all details are correct so approval goes smoothly. The next is to review and approval. Foodpanda reviews your application and may contact you if they need more info. Once approved, they will send contact details and onboarding instructions. Approval times can vary by country but often takes a few days, and after approval, create a Foodpanda portal merchant account, upload a full menu, add prices, photos, and opening hours. Foodpanda may provide training and tools for accepting orders. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.